Again, welcome back. We are working on the 95 Mustang. Get it ready for a road trip to go on Power Tour next year. Try and get it done a little early so we're not last minute. We're going to put cruise control buttons in. I got it. So we bought the car sitting in a barn, sitting there for 6 years, not moving, and it's got little things that we just need to button up that don't work or are broke, and some things we're going on a long road trip, so we might want cruise control. I am taking out these bolts for the airbag. So it comes as one harness, so both sides have to come out and go in at the same time. Run the wires up through these brackets, which we will not be able to do with the new ones without taking all this out. Hanging out down here. Is it plugged into anything? Don't see anything it was plugged into. So now we got to take these 4 screws out and then pull these out. Is we cannot do this without pulling the wheel. I don't have the kit to pull the wheel, so we're gonna buy a kit steering wheel puller off of Amazon, and when that comes in, we will come back to the video and we will pull the wheel and finish putting these in. We're back with the wheel puller, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the wheel off. There we go. What is the torque spec on this?
Tight.
I'm assuming that's where that went. So in order to get this car ready for power tour, there's not a lot of major stuff. It's just a bunch of little things that I need to get fixed. Whenever you buy a car that's been sitting for a long time, there's bound to be a lot of little things wrong, right? So those are now installed. So we just had to put the airbag back on. This doohickey in. There it is, should be done. On, set, and it's working. Speed up. Up, hit coast, tap the brake, shut it off, then I'll hit resume, and it picks back up. And then the last button I haven't touched yet, off, and it shut off. So it is fixed. So we got the cruise control buttons in. Car's fixed, they work. All the buttons work. We got many more projects coming up on this to get ready for Power Tour 2023. So keep watching and subscribe.